Hello guys, today we'll see a plugin. It is a online code blocks or code compiler plugin. Using this plugin you can run your code and compile. Let's see. First you need to install this plugin. We are installing this plugin from our plugin section. Let's search here. This is the plugin. Just install this. Then activate this plugin. After successfully install and activating this plugin, you will get a option LMS code settings option. Here you need to connect the platform third-party platform API key, client ID and secret ID. To get this you can direct hit this site, and here you need to register and you will get that client ID and secret ID after registration. Let's see. I'm choosing this free plan and sign in with Google. After registration, from credential section you will get your client ID and secret ID. Then you need to paste here your client ID and secret ID. Then save changes. Okay. After saving this, you can use this compiler in any section of your site. To integrate and add this compiler in your site, you need to add a shortcode LMS code. This if you want to add this in any page or post, you just need to add this shortcode. After adding this shortcode, you will able to see this compiler. Okay, then here you can choose your language and write code here. For example, I am writing PHP. Okay, let's run. See here the output showing, CPU runtime showing, and memory output showing. If you have any input, then you can also type our input here, and you can write any multiple line code, anything here, and you can change your language and then write your Python code here and run and compile, then change language C and write C code here and run here. It will work. Let's check a Python code here. I have copied a code, sum of two number here. Just run this. Let's see the sum of and this and this showing here. Here the print output, it is showing here, and the CPU runtime 0.01, it is working fine. You can use this plugin for your any LMS site or any WordPress site where you want to give your user to run code and compile code permission. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Let's enjoy and use this plugin. Okay, I will give the plugin description in the video, plugin in the video description. Also here you will you can see the plugin documentation details, how the plugin exactly works and what type of modification settings do you want to need to set up your site. This is the plugin documentation. Here step by step you can configure this in your site. Okay, then you need to add this shortcode. Just copy this shortcode from here and you can use in your site. Okay, I will give this site link also in the video description. Thank you.